Before operating any power equipment, be sure you are wearing safety glasses, hearing protection, and appropriate safety shoes. Clear the area of any debris and mark all obstacles. Be sure to clear the area of any pets or people, especially children. Before you start the engine, make sure that the red clutch control handle near the left handlebar is pulled back towards the operator control panel. To start the engine, open the fuel valve, close the choke, and turn the ignition switch clockwise. Then pull the pull cord towards your body until the engine starts. When the engine has been started, it's important to open the choke and let the unit run for about a minute before operating. Before you begin cutting sod, make sure to adjust the throttle lever to your desired speed. To adjust the cutting depth, loosen the green blade depth control locking lever as well as the black depth stop knob located near the base of the blade control lever. Then you can use the yellow blade control lever to adjust the blade to your desired cutting depth. To adjust the blade angle, pull the black blade angle locking lever back towards the operator control panel and adjust the blade to your desired cutting angle using the yellow blade control lever. When you're ready to begin cutting sod, engage the drive wheel by flipping the red wheel drive lever up towards the unit and engage the blade by flipping the yellow cutting blade lever up towards the unit as well. To begin cutting sod, hold down the operator presence control lever on the right handlebar and push the red clutch control handle away from your body. This will engage the drive belt and move the unit forward. If you release the operator presence control lever, the unit will stop and not move forward. You can now begin cutting sod. Be safe and enjoy operating the Ryan Jr. Sod Cutter.